In this video is the Bitcoin price gearing up for this massive move that is going to happen within the next few days and next few weeks. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you this quick update. So yeah, medyo matagal tayo hindi nagkaroon ng video kasi yun nga, medyo naaliw ako lately sa paglaro sa PlayStation. So yeah, apologies for that. But yeah, right now, we are going to dive in na dito kay Bitcoin price action. And yeah, ang nangyari na dito kay Bitcoin price action is nagkakaroon na siya ng massive falling wedge in the daily time frame. So in this case, since this is in the daily time frame, this is going to indicate that we are seeing a massive move that's going to happen within the next few weeks. And I don't think that this is going to happen within the next few hours. So in this case, we have to be very patient dito sa mga ganitong type of move kasi of course, mas matagal ito mag-play out. So ano ba nangyari dito? So as you can see, we are seeing this massive falling wedge, and in this case, we can still continue this falling wedge within the next few weeks and next few days. But the moment na magkaroon to ng breakout, then we can see a massive Bitcoin move dito to the upside. And as you can see, if you're going to follow this triangle pattern, you can see na we are actually eyeing around 73,000 US dollars of potential breakout move. Now, on top of that, you can actually notice na meron din tayong nag-form na triangle, symmetric triangle on the RSI charts in the daily time frame. So in this case, the moment na magkaroon tayo ng somewhat of a diverging move dito or converging move pala, then we can see Bitcoin break out dito massively within the next few weeks. So in this case, we are eyeing a potential Bitcoin move dito. So in this case, I'll be adding more Bitcoin sa aking portfolio. Taking a look at this in the daily stochastic or actually weekly stochastic RSI, you can see na Bitcoin is actually gearing up here. As you can see, nagkakaroon tayo ng massive convergence dito. So in this case, we can see somewhat of a potential big move within the next few weeks following this weekly time frame. So take note, this is not going to happen within the next few hours. I think this is going to happen within the next few weeks. So yeah, this is a big move na we are actually seeing dito with the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, I think yun lang yung pwede natin mapag-usapan for the time being. As you can see, we are seeing a lot of big potential moves dito kay Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time and patience lang talaga sa paghihintay nitong breakout ni Bitcoin. So in this case, we are going to be monitoring this. So yun, if you don't want to miss our next videos, especially na medyo late na nga tong video na to, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell para mag-notify yan sa inyo. And take note if you want to take advantage of the next trade and magkaroon kayo ng extra bonus kay Bitcoin, make sure to sign up with our sign up link kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit meron up to 5,000 US dollar of bonus if you're going to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.